When you search for car phone mounts, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs, but to find the ones that actually work and hold up over time, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Andoury Magnetic Car Phone Mount. First up is the Andoury Car Phone Holder for MagSafe. Priced at $25.58, what caught my attention was its strong suction and impressive magnetic hold. If you want a mount that can handle your iPhone 17 Pro Max and keep it secure while driving, this is worth a serious look. This mount features a 360-degree rotating base and dual-axis adjustment, allowing you to find the perfect angle for navigation or calls. With a suction power that claims to hold up to 78 pounds, you can trust it won't budge, even on bumpy roads. It also has 22 high-performance magnets that provide a magnetic force up to 2400 GF, which is incredible for keeping your phone in place without signal interference. Now, some users mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky at first, especially if you're not used to magnetic mounts. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the stability and performance are worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're frequently on the road and need a reliable mount. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional clip-style holder. Now, if the Andoury's installation bother you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MirrorCase Air Vent Phone Holder. Next is the MirrorCase Phone Holder, priced at just $12.99. It caught my eye because of its unique metal hook design that promises to keep it stable in your air vents. If you want something that won't fall off and is budget-friendly, this is a solid choice. With this mount, you benefit from an ultra-stable grip thanks to its steel metal hook. It fits snugly on your air vent blades, which means you don't have to worry about it dropping during sharp turns. Plus, the 360-degree rotation lets you easily switch between landscape and portrait modes, so whether you're navigating or taking a call, you'll have a clear view. However, some users pointed out that it's not compatible with round vents. But here's the deal. If you have horizontal or vertical vents, this mount is extremely reliable. This is perfect for anyone who wants an affordable and effective solution. Skip it if your car has round vents. All right, that was a great option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility. Product number 3, Quifatan Dash-Mounted Phone Holder. Coming in at $9.97, the Quifatan Dash-Mounted Holder offers a blend of affordability and functionality. This caught my attention because of its versatile mounting options. If you need something that can adapt to different surfaces, this one's a great pick. This mount comes with a double-locked suction cup that stays firmly attached to your dashboard, even in extreme heat. Plus, it has a fully adjustable design, allowing you to rotate it 360 degrees and extend the arm from 3.7 to 5.9 inches for the perfect viewing angle. It fits most smartphones, making it a universal solution. However, some users have mentioned that it can sometimes lose suction over time. But here's the thing, you can reactivate its sticky power simply by washing it. This is perfect for those who switch cars frequently or need a flexible mount. Skip this if you prefer a permanent installation. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more robust, the next product is a great alternative. Product number 4, Leeson Magnetic Car Mount. Next up is the Leeson for MagSafe Car Mount, priced at $16.99. I was drawn to its strong suction and eco-friendly design. If you want a mount that's durable and kind to the planet, this one's worth checking out. The Leeson mount features a 6-layer suction cup that's 100% stronger than standard holders, holding up to 89 pounds. It has an enhanced magnetic hold, thanks to 20 N55 magnets, ensuring your phone stays secure through bumps and sudden stops. Plus, it's made from recyclable materials, which is a nice bonus for the environmentally conscious. Some users noted that it can be tricky to attach on non-MagSafe devices, but here's the thing. It comes with an extra metal ring to solve that issue, making it compatible with almost any phone. This is perfect for eco-minded drivers who want reliability. Skip it if you're exclusively using non-MagSafe devices and need an immediate solution. Now, if you're after more strength, the next choice could impress you even further. Product number 5, MirrorCase Magnetic Car Mount. Finally, we have the Mira case for MagSafe car mount, priced at $21.99. What really caught my eye was its 3600 GF strong magnet and impressive suction base. If you want something that can hold your phone securely under any conditions, this is worth your attention. This mount features a vacuum lock technology that can hold up to 89 pounds, making it incredibly reliable for heavy smartphones. It rotates 360 degrees and is designed to fit seamlessly with iPhone 17 to 12 series and MagSafe cases, ensuring you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. However, some users mentioned it might struggle in extreme heat. Here's the thing though, the suction cup can withstand temperatures from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which should cover most driving conditions. This is perfect for those who need a reliable, heavy-duty mount. Skip this if you often drive in very hot climates and need something more temperature-resistant. Product number 5, Mira Case Magnetic Car Mount. Finally, we have the Mira case for MagSafe car mount, priced at $21.99. What really caught my eye was its 3600 GF strong magnet and impressive suction base. If you want something that can hold your phone securely under any conditions, this is worth your attention. This mount features a vacuum lock technology that can hold up to 89 pounds, making it incredibly reliable for heavy smartphones. It rotates 360 degrees and is designed to fit seamlessly with iPhone 17 to 12 series and MagSafe cases, ensuring you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. However, some users mentioned it might struggle in extreme heat. Here's the thing though, the suction cup can withstand temperatures from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which should cover most driving conditions. This is perfect for those who need a reliable, heavy-duty mount. Skip this if you often drive in very hot climates and need something more temperature-resistant.